Within the digital landscape of 2026, the cognitive fatigue associated with manual social media posting is no longer a necessary cost. Instead, leaders of the creator economy orchestrate their personal brands with the precision of a conductor managing an intricate symphony. The key is not just in producing content, but in designing an automation architecture, one capable of turning painstaking manual workflows into seamless AI-powered pipelines. Imagine Alex, a solopreneur and content strategist, who starts her week as she always does, not with a flurry of copy pasting or last-minute graphics exports, but by opening a dashboard that displays a review queue. This dashboard is the visible tip of an otherwise invisible ecosystem, a logic bridge engineered with Zapier. Upon approving a final draft in a dedicated Google Doc, Alex sets in motion an automated trigger. Instantly, the AI scrapes the text, applies the tone and brand language constraints previously codified, ensuring the playful yet authoritative tenor, a hallmark from Lesson 1. Then pairs it with a Midjourney-generated hero image and curated hashtags. This packet is auto-formatted and dispatched to a queue in Metricool, Buffer, or another scheduler of choice, ready for delivery to the relevant audience segments on platforms like LinkedIn, Pinterest, and X. The strategy is not to eliminate the human touch, but to optimize where that touch occurs. Before any post hits a public timeline, it rests in the review queue, AI-generated but always human-curated. Alex, now a content conductor, spends a focused 10 minutes each Monday morning reviewing the AI's output, approving, tweaking, or in rare cases, rejecting the drafts. This human-in-the-loop checkpoint safeguards brand reputation, ensures alignment with current events, and prevents algorithmic missteps, all while minimizing the traditional bottlenecks of content deployment. This system's technical prowess is best measured by the automation efficiency ratio, E. E equals TM slash TM times 100, where TM represents the hours once spent on manually prepping, formatting, and uploading posts, and TUM measures the slim amount of time spent maintaining automation flows. For Alex, who previously spent 12 hours a month on distribution, but now spends just over an hour fine-tuning workflows, he exceeds 90%, a hallmark of a mature, scalable system. Critical to this architecture are several operational pillars. First, webhook integration ensures that every finalized asset, whether text, image, video, or audio, streams effortlessly from creation platforms into scheduling tools. Second, semantic mapping embeds brand voice as a non-negotiable parameter, preventing tone drift during transfer, no matter how sophisticated the AI model. Third, the metadata sync governs frequency, with scripts that inject high-leverage assets, like Payhip store links or newsletter signups, into every third post, operationalizing the rule of 7 across platforms to increase touchpoints without additional effort. The case of Alex illustrates a broader principle. While AI excels in scale, schedule, and structure, genuine community remains a profoundly human domain. The strategist's rule, that automation is for distribution, not conversation, frees Alex to invest reclaimed hours in authentic dialogue, nurturing relationships that spark true business transformation. By the conclusion of this workflow metamorphosis, Alex's operation is more than the sum of its engineered parts. The brand presence becomes asynchronous, unbound from the creator's immediate attention, while the live-time human logic is reserved for high-value, conscious connection. Thus, the act of posting ceases to be a chore, and the strategist transcends the role of simple content creator, emerging as a conductor, deftly blending the mechanical certainty of AI with the irreplaceable intuition of human insight.